Every JavaScript object you have ever written is secretly a hash table. Every Python dictionary, every Java hash map, every time you write curly braces and store a key-value pair. A hash table is running under the hood, and most developers have no idea how they actually work. Here is what is really happening. When you store a key-value pair, the key does not just get saved randomly. It first passes through a hash function. The hash function takes your key and converts it into a number. That number determines exactly which bucket your value gets stored in. Watch what happens when we insert a key. The hash function runs. A number comes out. The value lands in that exact bucket. Every single time. Now watch retrieval. Same key, same hash function, same number. Go directly to that bucket, retrieve instantly. No searching, no comparing, no looping. O of one time, direct access. This is why JavaScript objects feel instant no matter how many keys they contain. Whether you have 10 keys or 10 million keys, looking up any value takes the same amount of time. But now, watch what happens here. Two completely different keys produce the same bucket number. This is called a collision, and every hash table must handle this gracefully. Watch the collision being resolved through chaining. The bucket simply holds multiple values in a linked list. When retrieving, go to the bucket first, then search within that small list. Still fast, still efficient. See the load factor updating at the bottom. That number measures how full the table is getting. When it gets too high, the table resizes and rehashes everything into a larger array. This automatic resizing is why you never think about capacity when you create a JavaScript object. The hash table manages itself. The hash function, the buckets, the collision resolution, the load factor. 4 simple concepts. 1. Extraordinarily powerful data structure. The most used data structure in all of modern programming, hiding behind every object literal you have ever written. Now you know what is actually happening inside your curly braces? If this finally explained what JavaScript objects actually are, smash that like button and subscribe for a new algorithm every single week. And share this with every developer who has been writing curly braces for years without knowing this. That is almost everyone.